Welcome to HAPBX Tips. Today, we'll learn how to optimize your extension profile by adding detailed contact information. When you install the Phonebooks add-on to your HAPBX installation, you will get an additional tab in your extension configuration. It's called Contact Info. This tab allows you to add extra information that will be displayed when using our Centralized Phonebooks feature. This is extremely helpful, letting users see full contact details right from their devices. Here, you can add key details such as mobile phone number, home phone number, the organization name, and the specific job title. Make sure to fill in these fields accurately. Once the information is added, do not forget the final and most important steps. Click the Save or Update button, and then hit Apply Configurations to activate the changes across the system. And just like that, this supplementary information will now be visible from any device that uses HAPBX's Centralized Phonebooks.